245 days since the Rams lost here in overtime to wrap up 2022. They're back in the Pacific Northwest to defy expectations. It begins against NFC West rival Seattle.
Come on, man! I got a bunch of dogs around me, bro!
I want you to think about all the hard work you put in to get to this point. Yeah. Man, we've been kicking each other 4-5 months. Let's go! Let's get it. Defense, if it moves, go. Let's go. Offense, light them up. Yeah. Let's go, man. Family on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Don't get me wrong, man. I love playing at home, but it's nothing like being on the road.
After a season of speculation and uncertainty, no more questions. Time to find out who the 2023 Los Angeles Rams are capable of becoming.
Let's go get it. All right, let's go out here and take the bull by the horns today. Knock some loose. 1, 2, 3. Knock some loose.
Here in Seattle, it's week 1 in the National Football League. Away we go. The 2023 season is underway. Geno Smith with his neon green cleats. He's coming off a stunning year, including a Pro Bowl honor and a Comeback Player of the Year award. 10th play of the opening drive. Sets the laces, checks it down right. Walker destroyed at the 20. A tackle for loss for Ernest Jones.
I'm unblockable. You can't touch me at all.
3rd down, 16. Geno surveys. He fires end zone. Broken up. Incomplete. Looking for Lockett. Darion Kendrick locked him up.
I mean, what a stop by this defense.
I told him. It's my turn.
5 minutes into week 1, a 36-yard field goal attempt for Jason Myers from the right hash under the hold of Michael Dixon. Kick clears the line. It's on the way. It splashes off the net. It is good. The Seahawks have a 3-0 lead after a 12-play, 57-yard opening drive. They chewed up over 5 minutes. Here comes Matthew Stafford.
Come on, boys. Here we go. You guys set the tone up front. Push that thing now. Let's go. Make them feel us right here. Let's go.
The Rams are about to get it for the first time this season.
Hey, let's go.
This is the first Rams possession of the game. Chasing a field goal on the scoreboard. Stafford ready. Brings 2-2 in motion from his left. Top of his drop. Settles. Can't find a target. Shoots it middle. Plucked out of the air by Tyler Higbee as he goes to the ground.
Give me that.
On 3rd down and 4, he's got 7.
Hey, way to trust it right there. Let's go.
Higgs in a big spot early. Stafford in the shotgun. Brings 2-2 in motion from his right. Stands in and delivers. Middle of the field. Caught by Higbee. 1st down, Rams in the red zone.
Yes, sir.
Nakua, Tutu, and Van, the receivers. Here's the snap. Fake the handoff. Shoot it right side. Puka's got the catch. Puka breaks the tackle to 10. Right sideline 5. Extends the football. He's out at the 1. 3rd and goal. Stafford under center. Kyron Williams behind him. Higbee in motion. Handoff left side. Barreling in. For the first touchdown of a new season, it's Kyron Williams. With 39 seconds to go in the first quarter, the Rams take the lead.
Big on little. Big on little. This is a big man's game. This is the big man's game.
Here's the 12th play of the Seahawks drive. Aaron Donald after Geno Smith. He throws left side. Caught. DK Metcalf left alone to put Seattle in front.
I mean, that's a tough route to stop. I'm just telling you, man. When you continue to play together, communicate, stay within the framework of the defense. Remember, we are a small piece of a big puzzle, and we only get up when we try to be big pieces. Just stay with it, man. Stay with it.
One at a time, Mo. Fast, physical.
This drive here for the offense, this is the drive where you go down and you get points. You take some time off the clock.
Stafford going top shelf, right side. Tutu at the 20, Tutu at the 10, Tutu spun down at the 8.
Tutu was able to break open on a corner route and just come wide open. Stafford sees it, reads it, gets the ball where it needs to be.
Stafford gets the play off. Hands off. Kyron left side. Jump cut. End zone. He's done it again. Touchdown, Kyron Williams. Touchdown, LA. The The second-year man punches it in.
Yo! Yo! Come on! What's going on? Hey, that's the way to go smell it, though. That's the way to freaking go smell it. That's right. That's right. Go, big dogs. Keep doing what y'all doing, baby.
Rams have scored on their opening drive of both halves, and on those drives, 7 of 7 on third down. Seattle coming up on a 3rd and 5 mark. They started 2 for 2, but they're 0 for 3 on their last 3 third down conversions.
Shotgun snap. Here comes the blitz. Up the middle. Gino retreats and throws. Bobbled and dropped. Incomplete. Nearly intercepted.
Yeah, this Rams defense, they're flying around.
Through the left side, Walker hit by Kendrick. Could not turn the corner. Taken out by the shoulder pads. Ernest Jones all over it again. Empty shotgun snap to Smith. He launches deep down the left sideline looking for DK. Pinned up against the paint by Darion Kendrick. And Kendrick with a stop.
Touchdown, 3 and out. Touchdown, 3 and out. DBs, we stand up. That's how you beat a hammer and not the nail. Eject.
Top of his drop. Pressure from his blind side. And it's caught! Puka Nacua going out of bounds. The rookie's over 100 yards in his debut.
What a catch.
And they ready to fold. I don't know if y'all see it, but I see it. They ready to fold. I don't know if y'all see it, but I see it.
Pats on the helmets from the Rams offensive linemen. They want to drive this pile into the end zone. 4th and goal from the 1. You're going for it here, right?
No, you got to. Who wants it more? This is what it comes down to. It takes a lot to win a game in the NFL.
It's a toss left to Akers. He'll go in untouched. Akers to Paydirt, and the Rams have a double-digit lead.
Where y'all at now? Where y'all at now?
It's the way they did it too. Downhill run game, play action pass. They did it all on this drive.
Keep bowling, man.
Protecting a 14-point advantage. Back to pass. Pressure in his face. They get there. The rookie got him. Kobe Turner. Pocket crumbling. Now it's Aaron's turn. With help from Michael Hoyt. Back-to-back sacks from the LA defense. And the boos rain down in Seattle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how you finish the game.
Seahawks have 3 yards since halftime. 3.
They stand what? They stand what?
What a showing by Sean McVay and the Rams. 30-13 is the final. The Rams were doubted and discounted, and they're 1-0, flying home on adrenaline from the Pacific Northwest.
That is exactly what we knew we were capable of, what you were capable of. Here's my favorite part about that. We came in here with a little bit of adversity at halftime. Nobody changed. Guys made play after play. Guys stayed together. They stayed connected. That's what good teams do.
And whatever the outside world thought this was going to look like, they don't got a clue. Every single day, we just started now. Let's go. Rams on 3. 1, 2, 3. Rams.